During the first week of May, Melody, our daughter Jamie, and I were hiking around Bombay Nook National Wildlife Reserve, and I just couldn't get over how it was so much of a bird paradise. All you heard were birds calling the whole time we were hiking around there. So I took out the phone, turned on the Merlin app to record what kind of birds we were hearing. And it ended up with 21 different birds that it recorded. So I thought to myself, well, maybe people would be interested. So I spent most of the day today finding pictures of the birds, songs of the birds, putting them together in a short little video to share with you what we heard. So I hope you enjoyed the video, find it interesting, and if so, please consider leaving comments. It took a couple hours to put this together, and I don't mind doing it, trust me. I like making videos, but if nobody watches, no reason to make them. So subscribe to the channel, comment, give it a thumbs up, and I'll keep on making videos similar to this. And I'll leave links to both the video, the hike that we took, and information about the Merlin app. So, hope you enjoyed the show.